All right. It's that time. Hey, everybody. I must have told countless. Go on the page, answer the question, make fun of me. You could have, and you didn't. A little disappointing. Could have kept it, keep it clean. It's time to, pick a winner. The screen's behind me. Not that way, the other way. But anyway, long story short, we are going to see who's getting a pair of kicks. All right, we got 10 comments. Can't believe that's it. But, hey, you guys got a good shot. Let's see what happens. It's KLEVV 60682, size 11. All right. Pretty cool. KLEVV's getting some sneakers. Congrats. We're going to reach out to you and we'll get you a cool pair of Nike. It's _KLEVV 6082. You win. We're going to get you a cool pair of sneakers. Thanks for everybody for participating. I wish there was more of you. We're going to do more, Quick heads up, we got we have 2 builds coming up that are out of this world. It's going to take a while. We'll have some comment stuff in between. I have something close by that's going to happen. I also am doing an upgrade, a couple of upgrades. Nothing crazy with as far as like any the whole to-do with the video, but just some content for you guys. Go over some stuff such as I treated myself. I'm going to upgrade my fans to these swappable fans. I've wanted them for a while, and I got them, and we're going to do that. We'll show you the before and after, and something else that's close by. Anyway, thank you. Congrats to it's _KLEVV 6082, and we're going to reach out to you, and we'll get you some kicks. And yeah, Sneaks and Geeks USA. Like, comment, subscribe. You got a chance to make fun of me, and I'll give you that chance again soon. See you soon.